I'm going to show you how you can turn just a regular plastic bottle into a very cool self-watering planter. So here's how. Now to start off with, we would require to cut this bottle. So take off the lid, squeeze the bottle a bit, and I ask you to make a gentle cut there on the bottle. That's it. One very important thing is you need the top part of the bottle to be able to sit inside. So this works well only if that happens. Okay. So now we are going to rivet holes on either side so that we can hang this bottle up. And these are rivet pins that you can use in them. So we are going to pass it through, tie a knot on this side, just loop, bring it in and make a knot. Now you want to take care that this is not too big, because if it is too long, then when you are hanging your plant, it just tends to fall in any direction. Just check. See, this would be a good length, like 1/12-inch piece. So you can just snip off the excess and this will work well. Now you need to ensure that this bottle, when you are putting it in, it needs to sit in nice and tight. This top part that we have, we need to paint it, because we don't want, it's transparent and we don't want the roots of the plant to get exposed to light. So I'm going to paint it. You can use for this you can use an acrylic paint, or you can use even oil paint, whatever suits you, because it takes a little while to dry up. This one has been painted. Now in this we are going to put a fabric. This is a geo fabric. At home, say if you don't have a geo fabric, you can also use an old cotton t-shirt or any material which is preferably natural. Okay, I would tell you to roll it like a chapati and bend it into two and shove it through the mouth of the bottle. Now what does this do? It plays a very important role because it acts like a straw. So what's going to happen is, it's not going to let the water come inside, but whenever the plant wants water, the plant will be able to take how much of water it wants from the reservoir. This is where we are going to be putting our plant in, and this is going to act like a reservoir. You need to see that it's nice and tight. It's really nice and tight. Okay, it doesn't come out easily. So this is a small tail that's going to be outside, and inside you can see it's a little bit longer inside. Okay, the roots of your plant ideally should be touching this. So whenever the roots want water, they are going to take it from this black fabric, whose base is anyway immersed in water. Now to decorate this bottle, we are going to be using a fabric. You can use something of whatever's your choice. So you can cut it to size. I'm going to be using Fevicol and water. If you're putting a fabric, it's kind of better if you use a thinner fabric. Silk is a definite no-no. When it absorbs water, it just tends to stand up and it will just not stick. Use a cotton fabric for starting, and then you could basically experiment with something else. I have got this tape. It's a washi tape. It looks nice, and now just to add some fun quotient to it, we're going to add some colored water. So I've basically just added food color to this water. So what happens is that when say you hang this outside your window, and when the sunlight passes through it, you will get blue reflections in your room. Now first we need you to secure this nicely and firmly inside. Also need to check that after doing this, there's no water coming inside this bottle. Okay, important. So now you know that you've put this geo fabric or whatever fabric you are using, you've secured it properly, so that only if the plant wants water, it will take the water. If it does not, then no water, extra water comes in, because if that's going to happen, then the roots of the plant are going to get soggy and then it won't last long. So very important. So I'm going to be using a peppermint plant. It's edible, it's mosquito repellent. If you eat the leaves of it, it also helps to keep away cavities. I would tell you to check it every Sunday. See, ideally you need to water this twice a month, and just see that the mouth of the bottle or the little black brick that we made needs to be immersed in water. So long as that's happening, you're fine, you're good to go. You can just hang this plant up now